even enough time for a one-dribble pull-up here as Kaloy has done.
For the win! Joko Kaloy making up for that free throw miss earlier and will send the San Pedro Spartans
Power forward, the rating 16 under division most valuable player, King Spartan number 13, Joseph Kaloy.
na minsan hindi lang back-to-back days but several games in one day.
Well, actually, nung sinasabi ko yung whole bit na yun, parang dahan-dahan hindi ako naniniwala sa sarili ko because these kids have shown us here with a 12-point advantage for them. Let's see if they can hold on and maybe even increase this lead.
Kaloy for three. Finally, getting one from outside. Sabi mo nga.
To happen. Now he's forced to try and bring back Sean Lucido in the game.
Kaloy will pull up and will get the roll. We're tied. Donato has 9 to his name so far. 6
Even enough time for a one-dribble pull-up here as Kaloy has done.
for the win! Joko Kaloy making up for that free throw miss earlier and will send the San Pedro Spartans. It's a great start para dito sa makabagong San Juan to try and extend this to a rubber match.
You're gonna repeat something, try to do something better. Maybe make it double.
Kaloy hasn't had the best game, but pag ganitong oras na, this is a guy that you can count on para sa San Pedro Spartans.
Seemed like a forgotten man here in the fourth quarter. And
To the reverse, to Labot, ayaw. Would be Kaloy coming up with it. And he takes it all the way.
Idiin niya talaga para matuto ng maayos ng si Dwayne natin.
Akala ko sabihin mo, pumuputi na din yung buhok ni Coach Britt. Kagaya ni Coach Pop, but just kidding, Coach Britt. Yun nga yung tama ka doon yung relationship nga nila.
Saved to the opponent by Dagumpanan. And Songo comes out with the ball. Gakrama, he was hot in the first quarter. And Kaloy showing no mercy. Cutting that lead down to 5. Kaloy will respond.
The MVP do.
There's Aldep over to Kaloy. He will try once again. Yes, sir!
Inaayos lang niya yung net minutes as we take a look at these 3-pointers from Joko.
Libre na siya dun. San Pedro swing it around. Kaloy, the jumper bounces in.
Itong si Gakrama and si Kaloy, talagang
Ng kanilang game behind the efforts of Joko. Nice screen there by Aldep. Kaloy pulls up and it will go.
that was a tough shot from Joko Kaloy. He had a
Side to Vitug. Pero nabasa yun. Just as this pass was read. Pero it ends up in Kaloy's hands and the jumper is in.
might have a baseline shot coming from Joko Kaloy. One dribble.
3 to 92. Kaloy, he is fouled by Santos.